Are you serious? Are you serious, guys? We got floodwaters raging in West Virginia. I want to thank Vicky and Rihanna and Judy for sending us this actual footage from West Virginia, as more breaking warnings are now coming out as rains are continuing to pour. So as you can see, the floodwaters are raging in West Virginia right now. It is a very serious situation with more within the hour. There's more warnings of more floodwaters. All right, we're going to stay on top of the story. Pray for the people of West Virginia as homes. Obviously, as you can see, there's devastation coming, and with more rain, it's going to get ugly. Pray for West Virginia, especially in the Moorfield area, but there's other areas also now that are experiencing heavy flooding, and more is predicted to happen. I'll be back with more current world events and how they relate to biblical prophecy. We're certainly living in the last days. The apocalypse, volcanoes, earthquakes, floods, forest fires, sinkholes, it's happening everywhere.